Hey, how's it going? This is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for taking the time to click on this video and watch it. I spoke with Jeff earlier this morning, and I actually failed to find out who I needed to address the video to, but ultimately just wanted to show you guys some things I saw you might be able to do to help improve some traffic through your website to bring in more business. If you're wondering why I'm even making the video, I just find that a lot of business owners don't have the time to learn how to make the internet really work for themselves to bring in more customers. And usually the only thing that's holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who isn't. Now, when I give these attack plans out for free, sometimes people still call me back and say, you know what, Peter, I like you. I'd just rather you take care of this stuff for me. So at the end of the video, if you guys find I do have some tips and tricks up my sleeve and could help grow you guys' business, feel free to circle back with me. I'd love to talk more about it. And if you just wanted to take the information and apply it and run with it, that's totally fine with me too. I just like to help you guys out in any way possible. What I want to go over real quickly is just how to make your website more of an authority, how to make it more trustworthy, and how to get you guys ranked locally in the map in the Google Map Pack. Okay. Now, starting off just by looking at it looks great, right? Like very clean images. I like the flag in the background and how it's like it's got the parallax style, so it stays still as you scroll. Call to actions here, veteran-owned business. I like that. Um, I appreciate the owner service. Failed to catch the name again. Um, okay, so all in all, the website does look good. Now, if I'm gonna be straightforward with you guys, Google is not so much concerned with the aesthetic of the website. Their main concern is the amount of content you have, right? To be considered an authority in the eyes of Google, you want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. Again, I'm not looking at a blank front page, but I know you guys are probably only sitting around 500 words or so. So again, the average homepage on Google has 1,800 words. So that alone is going to give you guys a boost because I can see you guys are ranking for these keywords and stuff, right? Like you guys are stuffing these keywords in here. Google needs to have more content for that kind of stuff, for those keywords to be more evenly distributed, if that makes any sense. Like that alone is going to help grow you guys' traffic, and work Google's algorithm more in your favor. And another thing too, actually, while I'm looking here, I know you guys are actually going to be losing some power because maybe the domain is expired, needs to be updated or something, but it's currently not secure. So that is definitely going to be losing you guys a little bit of power and trust as well. And while I'm still on your website too, one thing that you can do is whatever your images are saved as, see it, that's just a random code. You guys are dominating Hutto. What you could do is go back and save one of your images as like Pflugerville HVAC contractors, right? Or HVAC contractors, Round Rock, Texas. Each one of your images throughout your website can be saved as a keyword. Most people don't know that, but that again is going to help give you guys some boost as well, okay? So now, how to make it more trustworthy? I'm hopping over to a tool you use called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month. It just gives us extremely valuable data that goes on in the back end of websites. So again, touching on how to make it more trustworthy, that's going to be judged on how many relevant websites point back to you and kind of vouch for you, so to speak. Now, I can see like this ratio, we want to be as close to 1 as possible, and because that's so offset, there is something going on here. Um, See when it comes to these referring domains, I don't know which ones you guys have backlinks for. Just make sure moving forward that you guys are only having your information on websites that are relevant to your industry. Like for example, you don't want a bunch of pizza companies linking back to you because you guys aren't a pizza company, right? Or HVAC companies. I might have said plumbing just a second ago, but yeah, you want to be sticking to the realm of websites that are relevant to your industry, okay? And then the last thing, again, you guys are already ranked in the local map pack for Hutto, I believe. Let me just switch this. Yeah, so you guys are number 2, so you're already doing good there. I don't know if you're aware or not, just to shed light on it again, in case you weren't. The way that this is based off of is how many directories you guys are listed in, or how many citations you have technically, is how many times your business name, phone number, and address is listed in different directories on the internet, like Yelp, Yext, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Craigslist. expert air and refrigeration, and I don't know who may be popping up in the top of other areas you guys want to cater to, like Pflugerville and stuff like that, Round Rock. If you guys wanted to go research your competitors in those other areas, find out exactly which directories they're in, go copy them, and then add 50 more, you guys are going to start seeing some more traffic in some of your other locations like Pflugerville and stuff like that too. So that's pretty much all I got, guys. I know it's a lot of information. Just a quick recap. Content is king first and foremost. You guys' website looks great. I would just get some more content on here because let me touch real quickly. Like you can see the keywords that you guys are ranking for are primarily your name, right? You guys are like in favorable positions for your name. But you wanna, if you had more content and you put in more keywords like emergency air conditioner repair Austin, see those that's a buyer intent keyword. Those are, you know what I mean, people that haven't heard of you guys before are doing research on you because were referred to you guys. You guys would see a big boost in traffic. Again, you're doing great at, you're popping up organically in Hutto's search results. But if you guys were in position to take on more business, there's just overall a lot of room for growth as far as you guys' online presence. So, yeah, that's it. Content is king. 1,500, 2,000 words on that homepage. Make sure the backlinks you guys are getting moving forward are relevant to your industry. And if you were to want to dominate areas like Pflugerville and Round Rock, just go and find out the same directories. The top guys in the Google Map pack in those areas are listed in. Add yourself to the same ones and then add 50 more to that. So that's all I got for you guys. Appreciate your time. If you had any questions, concerns, feel free to circle back with me. Again, my name is Peter Gilpin with SEO Dallas, Texas. My number is 682-269-6391. Again, that's 682-269-6391. If anything, if you just wanted to text me or email me back a line of feedback, I'd greatly appreciate that too. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.